welcome back to my channel Craft with Miriam. I thought it would be perfect to create something special for Ramadan, and I thought it would be nice to share with you this cute project. I hope you will enjoy it too, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel to get more ideas or a lot of inspiration. Please leave your comment below and share my video. Let's get started. Today I'm showing you guys how I made a beautiful sign for Ramadan event for people who celebrate Ramadan like me, or for people who want inspiration for the DIY craft. So I'm gonna be walking you through my cute DIY idea using this embroidery hoop that I got from Walmart, this metallic spray from Walmart too, this white paint Martha Stewart from Michael's in clearance section. It works like chalk paint, and or other stuff or items from Dollar Tree like wood letters, candle holder, ribbons, and this one too, white and gray, white and silver. Some flowers, I'm gonna shoot some of them from Dollar Tree too. And of course fairy lights. Yes, fairy lights that I got from Amazon. I'm gonna leave the link below. Also this dolly, yes, it got two in one pack from Dollar Tree. I need this one, I need one. I have some paper flowers, small paper flowers like this one, like these flowers. I made them. I'm gonna leave the link below because I have a video to show you how I made these flowers. And glue gun, of course. So get started. So first I'm gonna spray these wood letters with this metallic spray. When they dry, I'm gonna glue them in this lace pom-pom and glue it on the corner of this embroidery hoop. It's gonna look like floating letters with this dolly, of course, as background of the sign. I'm gonna use this ribbon on the bottom like a pocket and put flowers inside. Then I'm done. When I am done, I'm gonna hang it or glue it in this candle holder after when I paint it and decorate it. Look, as you see in the back, I put this long stick. It's bamboo square that I got from Dollar Tree. This one. I pick one. I cut the top and I glue it with glue gun in the back. So the sign can hold straight beautifully. Thank you guys for watching. If there is stuff that you would like to see, just comment below, because I'm always up trying new things. I appreciate you guys and thank you for watching my videos, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you soon. Bye.